Hey everyone, it's John with Blessed to Travel. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to adjust the steering wheel of a 2025 Ford Expedition Platinum. Now our son figured it out and I'm going to share it with you right now. So here we go. So on the right side of the steering wheel, you'll see what they call the D-pad. In the upper left of that little D-pad, you'll see a small icon that you'll need to press in order to activate the D-pad controls that you'll see on the long LED screen on the dashboard behind the steering wheel. Now, once you see the directional arrows on the LED screen, you'll see it here in just a second. There we go. See those directional arrows right there? They actually coincide with the D-pad. So once you start pressing on those buttons, you can adjust the steering wheel that way. So it goes up, goes down, goes in, goes out, based on those directional arrows there. And that's all you have to do in order to adjust the steering wheel. That is it. Now, how easy was that? Especially once you know what you're doing. Now, we rented this car to go on a trip, and each time we rent a car, the cars get newer and the technology gets more sophisticated. So if you think this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Maybe share your thoughts in the comments as well. We rent cars all the time and we thought it would be helpful to share quick tutorials to help people save time. So until next time, thank you for watching and happy travels.